And go.
Money at home.
I'm home.
Yeah! Yeah. Oh, Dad! Dad, my cookies! What the fuck?
Those are for you. What else? Come on.
I got you a present for Christmas.
Thank you.
Ew. Eat it. Eat the box. Eat the box. Oh my.
Oh. Oh. Sorry.
Oh. Can you cut that out?
Can I cut it out?
No, can you actually cut that out?
Yeah, Michael, I can do it.
Can you really?
So, we got a new guest star. We got, you want to introduce yourself?
Tommy.
You're Tommy Pickles.
I love you.
My ears are itchy.
I love
This,
you. I love you.
this is Thomas. He's our friend,
He's my baby.
and that's it.
Yeah.
He's my boyfriend.
And, we don't have Michael, sadly, but that's okay.
The most. God damn it! That sounds so real. My nose is really
You
running.
sound so real.
Oh, that sounded so real.
Yeah, I know. He does the funny. So Thomas is going to be making food. Stop recording me.
And there's gonna be touch on my buckle.
Oh, it ended.
Right, Thomas?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Thomas, what are you going to be making?
Whatever it is.
Whatever there is, whatever you can find. Anthony, what are you making?
I'm not even gonna explain it.
Okay. Okay, Walter White. Like, what's in there, bro? Eggo waffles. What is that?
Eggo waffles. You can do Eggo waffles. Waffles
With chicken.
With chicken there.
Yeah, waffles and chicken. Yeah.
Cheese.
And what?
Cheese, man. We use cheese.
Yeah.
You have cheese in here.
I don't know. This is my house. Excited for your dish? Yeah.
You guys want to see a video of me taking a shit?
He just pooped. He pooped his pants.
You Thomas, that's nasty. That's gross.
There's your waffles.
I might not even use waffles
I
since there's no
touched Thomas's
cheese.
butt.
Wait, what?
You did.
What?
Hey, Cam, I touched Thomas's butt. I like
Yeah, I was gonna make a little waffle burger.
There's no cheese. I don't care if there's no cheese. I'm hungry. I'm fucking starving. I'm starving Marvin over here.
Yeah.
The dino nuggets. Classic.
If we didn't have cheese, no. If we did have cheese, then this would have been a lot better. I like cheese.
I like cheese too.
Use pit or something in here. I probably shouldn't have said that. Where's the air fryer? This is my first time here.
The air fryer is right here.
Right.
Move it. Move it, kid. Hey, Anthony, could you help us set up the air fryer?
You know how to do it. Close it in, motherfucker.
Well, what was that? Do you know how to use an air fryer, Thomas?
I don't know how to plug it in.
You know how to plug it
And
in?
then there's an air fry option.
So you just throw it in there?
Oh, might want to get that.
Is there
No, don't put that fucking.
No. But you know what? I'll probably step it for it, actually.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me see. Let's see what.
No.
Don't put the. No. What are you doing, bro?
I probably shouldn't be doing that. That's probably going crazy.
Why would
you really?
Yeah.
Are you gonna do it later?
No.
Why are you saying it?
No.
He's a nervous wreck. There you go.
There you go.
I don't think you actually fucking air fried it. Like, I don't think you actually made it go. It just says on.
Oh, it's going.
I feel it. I don't know what that does.
You've never used an air fryer?
No, actually I haven't.
It
I use microwaves.
It would be awesome. Stop!
Let's check on your fucking food.
Add food.
Fuck you.
You should please.
I will bleep it out.
Soft.
Faggot.
Okay, you can say that one because I'm gay. So.
Yeah, that's my cousin Bill.
Might want to
What?
What was that?
My mouth is itchy.
It's itchy.
Yeah, so is my waist. I'm all good.
So how do you feel that?
Oh!
How do you feel that this is your first
I
time?
fucking told you, Ethan.
I wanted to yell like you.
So how do you feel like this?
Just leave it in.
How do you feel that this is your first time on the show? Of
I
the.
feel
You feel giddy? You feel giddy with excitement?
Do the gritty, do the gritty. Oh, look at him go.
Oh, what is that? Is that salt? Just a little sodium chloride.
Give it to me.
No.
Give it to me. Thank you. Oh shit! He's a wild animal when he comes in.
There's another one. There's
Wait,
another
what?
one. Oh, this one.
What? What is it?
What's this?
What is it?
Don't. You learned your lesson last time. Don't do that. Walter White. Don't do it, Walter.
Did you do it?
I'm the one who smells.
I'm the one who does it. I am the one who's the annoying orange.
Oh, I'm not doing this. You getting this?
Oh. Yeah, I got that. Don't eat all of it. Stop eating that. What else are you making with that? Because it's got to be like a dish. Can you actually stop that though?
No, you just blur it out.
I can, but I'm fucking lazy. Because you can't just make fucking chicken nuggets and then call it a day.
Thomas, I love you.
Oh, that leg work. That leg work.
You just think you like Thomas? Do you know how to do it?
No. I was just doing
I'll
my
show you how
balls
to
hit each
do it.
other. Let's see what's in here.
So what else are you making with that?
Oh wait, I forgot.
Yeah, there's. That's beef.
Yeah.
Anthony wanted to use that.
Oh, you want to use all? It does.
Yeah, I want to use the beef.
He wants to use all of it.
Oh, you're soaking that beef, bro.
And I probably should. Yeah. Alright, no more.
Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel.
This is like the size of mine, except 3 times bigger.
It's the size of yours, but 3 times bigger.
Yeah. But also 3
Ethan,
times
put the camera
smaller.
out of the way, bitch.
At what other? Fuck you. I'm trying to record Thomas.
Thomas, go over there. No, over here.
Over here.
Oh,
Jesus fuck. That's hot as a
Oh,
rock.
shit, I should watch this one.
Darius, what are you doing?
I don't know if all audience needed to see that.
Yeah, they probably didn't. That was a big goal. That was like a cartoon goal. Goal?
Oh, okay.
what else are you doing, Thomas?
That's fucking gross. The fucking sound it makes.
Do you know how to defrost it?
This is like my first time cooking for someone else.
So
I mean,
what you do is take out a pen, wash it out,
take out what?
A pen?
grab a
Pen.
pen.
The
a
fuck?
pen right
I'm not
there.
writing on it.
Pen right there.
I'm not writing on
No,
it.
a pen. The pen is right there. You wash it
Oh,
out.
pan.
Yeah,
Oh, the pan. You were saying pen.
I'm saying pan.
Well,
You wash it out.
this isn't my house. I don't know where.
I know. You wash it out. Put water in it and you boil it.
Put this in there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right. All right.
He's like a lost child.
I love my everything. My everything is honest.
There's pans right here,
Yeah,
bro.
but I don't know if.
Those pans right there, that black one is good.
The black one. Only the black one, though.
Of course.
Once you go black, you never go back.
Yeah, that's true. That's what they say.
Once you go hotel, you never go back.
Just gotta. Yeah.
I see you, Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah. Now, first, right? You wanna. Now,
You give me butterflies.
I give myself.
Oh, no!
He's giving you the salt.
Get out of here! Get the fuck out of here! Ah!
Okay, Mr. Magic Man. I also did not hear you say Big McThankies from McSpankies to the customer.
God, you've said that 7,000 times!
It's fucking funny. I love it.
Why shouldn't ever touching want me in poultry?
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, you should.
I like how.
Wait, you actually cook it in there while it's wrapped up?
Yes.
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, wait, no, do it on the other one.
Oh yeah, do it on the.
I know which one you meant. My nose is running.
Yeah, I hate that one.
No, I like how it's like slanted. You see that? It's all slanted. It's like I don't know why this popped into my head. It's like Ice Age.
What?
I don't know why.
Ice Age?
I don't know why that popped into my head. You know the Ice Age movie?
Which one? The first one?
Oh, just in general.
In general?
I don't know why that just popped into my head.
I like the second one a lot.
I like all of them, honestly.
Are you a fucking Ice Age fan?
People say I look like Sid Sloth.
You don't.
Or this fucking Sid from...
Hey, can you say Bazinga?
Yeah, I was told that too. Bazinga.
Bazinga?
You look
Bazinga.
sexy.
It's the Big Bang. He says Bazinga. That's his line.
I
He
know.
says it in every episode.
I've seen the show actually. And
I've seen the show too. It's
Well,
alright.
not all of it. I've only seen
Oh. What the fuck are you doing?
I haven't seen Cable.
What the fuck?
He took some random shit out of the fucking toaster and fucking ate it like nothing. Can you eat those too? Anthony, are these safe to eat?
Hey, you want a cookie?
Is there?
Thomas, you want a cookie?
Oh no, I think that.
Thomas, you want a cookie?
Nah.
Cookie, come on, man, there's cookies.
That. Oh, those. Oh no, I'm on a change of diet.
So this is how it is in the kitchen for real life.
Yeah, man.
What the?
Shit.
Are you shitting in the sink?
I said I don't. So he walked by.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously he farted in his pants. It wasn't like sneaking. It wasn't sneaking. It was like, and I walked by. I was like, "You farted, right?"
Hey, point the Hey, what did you do, you motherfucker?
He fucking grabbed it and took it out of the boiling hot water like nothing.
Just to see what was up.
What are you boiling?
He's boiling the meat. What do you think?
Why are you boiling my... Hey!
See?
No, put it back!
I'm not supposed to do this, but I'm gonna try it anyway because I'm fucking hungry. Thank you
Is
for
this
doing
a second kitchen experience?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the best one?
Shit, my hand blocked it.
That's good eats.
Oh, the fart. I'm holding in a fart. I'm holding in a fart, man.
So is Anthony cooking now, I guess? Yeah. He farted again.
What the fuck are you doing, motherfucker?
That's disrespectful.
You took a shit! Damn!
Honestly, I shouldn't really be doing that, man.
Is this for your dad?
This is for your dad. This is for my dad. This is for my dad. This is for my dad. Mom!
There's a monster in here.
Shut up, pussy.
Pussy.
I kind of want to just like.
I kind of just want to.
You want to grab the meat out of the fucking boiling hot water?
Yeah, just. I already did it once. Yeah, I'm fine.
You did it twice, actually.
Oh yeah, twice. Yeah.
Oh, Anthony exposed on YouTube. You said that. That's like your fucking what? Like 15th time you said it today. Oh, fuck you.
Ooh, my nose is.
Just fucking. So, Anthony, what are you cooking exactly?
Choose.
These nuts.
What?
These nuts.
These nuts. These nuts. He's doing the gritty. Do the gritty. Anthony, can you hit the gritty?
Oh, shit.
Anthony! You fucking gay. Get out of my way, I gotta see Thomas do the gritty. Stop, pussy! What the fuck?
Scooter tricks.
Oh shit, oh shit! Make way!
Oh, yeah.
He's running in.
Oh my god, I think I have something. I think I have something good for you. Yes, I do have it.
What do you have?
This.
Shit.
Go-kart.
Oh,
That's not a go-kart, that's a Segway.
still boiling. I forgot the boiling temperature of water, but I'm pretty sure it's 90 degrees. Not
How was that?
kind of soft.
Kinda soft?
Right?
How can you just put your hand in fucking boiling water and not feel anything?
It's like fucking what's her name? Fucking that woman fucking what's her name?
Shit, faggot.
You know what I'm talking about, right? The fucking woman that keep making
Move, pussy!
Hey, wait. Turn around.
Get in, come on, bro.
Fuck you, faggot. I'm going, hey! Hey, stop, that's dangerous! Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up!
It's Hector from Breaking Bad.
Ting, ting, ting!
Last chance, look at me.
Let's charge it, let's charge it. Oh.
You okay, buddy?
Alright, go check on the meat, go check on the meat, go check on the meat.
Yeah, go check on the meat.
Ethan, why don't you go check on the meat, let's plug this in.
Oh, you...
Ethan, do you want to use it too?
Do I want to use what?
This.
Sure, that would be really fun.
Oh, yeah. No, Thomas, check on the meat.
Okay, Thomas, check out the mic, man.
Imagine.
Imagine.
Yeah, imagine.
Oops. That would splash all over me and I would scream.
It would.
It would.
Maybe I could probably let it do that for a little more.
Stop eating my fucking food. Yeah, just put it back in there. So what else are you putting in it?
Well, since we don't have cheese.
I still like waffles. Yeah, that's that one. So Thomas is making a chicken nugget and waffles. So it's like chicken and waffles. You're fucking... You're something else. You're like a different breed of human.
Oh, mama.
Like my mama always told me. Like my mama always told me.
Wait, come back, come back. Hang on, wait, mate.
I'm gonna leave it in there for a little while. Alright, you go in your room. Right?
Oh, wait, let me unplug this. Yeah.
Thomas, are you okay, man?
Yeah, that's good.
Jesus Christ! God damn! Thomas!
It's wrong! It's the pill!
Stop.
It's the pill! Help me!
Thomas, get out of there! You're gonna kill yourself! You're in Freddy Fazbear.
Get the big thing got into a car accident.
It's gonna keep falling.
It's Jesse Pinkman.
I'm the one who knocks.
That's not what Jesse says. That's Walter.
Are you gonna get back on it?
How do I?
Oh.
It's good. Get back on.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
I did not forget.
Yeah, we did not forget, guys. This is still a cooking video. Oh, the waffles. They good?
They're good.
Awesome. So, should we call it a day for you?
Come on, man. All right, ready? Hold this. It's ready to go. It's ready to go. Put your feet there. Go. Ready, go. Go. My shoes.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna try it now.
What?
How do I steer? How do I steer? Fuck out of here.
Thomas, help me.
Get this.
I'm
Go back to the room and line it up. Line it up.
Shit.
Go. Max speed. Max speed.
That's scary, man.
Go max speed.
Shit.
Move the hoodie.
Move the what?
hoodie, Thomas.
Move what?
The hoodie, Thomas. Shit. All right, go ahead.
Hey guys, that smells like.
My turn's next though.
This isn't even a fucking cook. Oh. Shut up.
Is this fun?
So guys, jackass. Today I'm on a
Aim
Segway.
straight for the trash.
Let's go. We're
Alright, go. Go to the bed. Go to the bed.
That was waxing in the face.
Go straight for the trash, motherfucker.
Shit.
What are you doing?
I keep.
Go to the other way. The other way. Thomas! Oh! Thomas, no! Bring it back! No!
Oh shit!
Pick it up and bring it back!
Chance to look at me. Sorry guys, this is still a cooking video. Holy shit.
Alright.
Why is it so bright? Why is it so bright in here?
I was saying.
Wait, look.
I don't know.
Why is it like that?
Alright, obviously that's boiling. You should probably look at him.
Go, Anthony. That was dumb. That was too slow.
It died. Elbows out.
Can you get...
Plug it back in, Ethan.
Okay, Anthony, I think you should cook your beef now. Your beef Wellington. It's so fucking bright in here. Oh, all I had to do was click on it.
Really?
Yeah. That's all I had to do was click on the screen. Stop.
It's done.
Does it have any condiments?
Alright.
No.
Record me, bitch.
So what are you cooking? Good looking?
None of your business.
Hey.
God damn, you got Gordon Ramsay hot spice. Oh. Oh damn. Oh dear me. What is it, Thomas? Come here, honey. What is it? Fuck, man.
Wow.
Boring. Sorry, I
not
got a
boring.
cough. I got a cough.
Oh, you had a cough.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Boring. Keep going. Sorry, no more.
Anthony's making rice. It looks like. Yeah.
That looks like pasta sauce that you just threw vinegar in with and just let maggots sit in it.
Just let the maggots in.
Yeah.
Why are you disrespecting his dish? Well, I mean,
I'm not even disrespecting. I'm just. Well,
I mean,
that probably is how.
You are going up against him. You're testing your ability, like Michael.
You're trash.
I'm kind of testing my ability.
I'm sorry, Daddy. Whoa, wait, whoa! I shouldn't be saying that.
Get out of my house! Oh.
Let me see that. Wait, are you using that to cook?
Yeah.
Never mind.
I fucking killed him, man.
Steven stabbed my chest with a rock, and the rock
He's a
broke.
faggot.
The rock broke on my chest, which is weird.
Hello, Anthony. Is that you? Ethan, smell it. Smell it.
He's breathable.
Let me smell it, bro.
Ooh.
Oh. Good? Smell it, Thomas. Is it good?
That's good. Me when I finally crushed his tampons in the trash. At least you have them on. I should have just fucking said.
Wait, what happened?
No.
Wait. I don't get it.
But I don't know what I said.
Get out of here, swiper. Oh, it's starting to smell better. Look.
He's like a sweaty.
Yeah, it's starting to smell better. Look at the smell.
Alright?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it does make it fun.
Crotch cam. Faggot.
You know, that's just his pants, by the way.
Yeah, they're just pants. There's nothing underneath.
I got a black hole.
Yeah, he's actually a black hole. He's a living black hole. He puts clothes on to hide it.
Yeah, exactly. You see, that's why I eat those waffles.
That's why he ate the waffles, to fill the void.
I'm such a. I can't. Damn it! I'm such a black hole.
Yeah, you're a black hole.
Yeah. I wasn't.
What's all that? I can smell it from here. That actually smells good, but I don't like rice.
You're gonna like this. Trust me.
I better.
You will.
Actually, you shouldn't even be using a plastic fork.
Yeah, that's gonna melt.
Yeah.
Shut up, you snowflake.
Think. Probably is. I don't even know. I cleaned my ears like 2 days ago.
Thomas always cleans his ears.
Not always.
He's a cleaning ear enthusiast.
You know, if you guys see stuff in there, I'm sorry.
He's very sorry. It's not his fault.
I'm very sorry. I get it. You guys stink. I stink. We are the same, except
I'm better than you.
I'm better than you. I'm the king of YouTube. I'm the king. You guys are all bums. You guys all stink. You guys.
Legs, I found him.
You're done, man. You guys are all done. I'm the king of YouTube, man. You guys are bums compared to me.
Shut the fuck up.
You see, because I can.
Because you can stand up tall. You can stand up tall.
Yeah.
You're taller than everyone
I
else.
can do this. Some farts are like getting their way out as I'm doing this. So I'm gonna stop doing that. But I can admit to that. You guys can't. It makes.
Because you all fucking stink. You all have no lives. We have lives. We have a YouTube channel. You don't.
Fine,
Bozo, Rip, IRL,
Seeth, Cope,
Mauled.
I don't know anymore. Oh, that's bending. That fork is bending.
Anthony, wait, let me see it.
Shut up.
That's bending. It's melting into the fucking
You're gonna
food.
get blood cancer like my freaking cousin. That's
Yeah, I'm
how he
gonna-
got blood cancer. That's how he has blood cancer. He's still alive. No, he had like 3 blood transfusions.
Guess what? I didn't fucking ask.
I know. I'm saying. It's
I
funny.
can smell it from here.
I can too. He actually headbutted me, my cousin, and he's the one who got hurt. He's like, at the time he was like 18 and I was like 12 or something. He headbutted her, so he's like, ow. It was funny. Man, that shit me when I'm done with like me when I run out of lube, you know, cause diarrhea.
Yeah.
Use that as lube, like messy tails.
What? Using diarrhea to rub on your...
You don't know messy tails?
No.
Disgusting and you're horrendous.
What else are you doing?
Shut up.
He took your food. He's getting away, Anthony! Anthony, he's getting away!
What he did?
He took your plate of rice. He's getting away! It's coming. It's like sentient.
Stop!
It's sentient AI.
Get back over here, you fucking faggot.
Okay. Look at me when I'm talking to you, young man. Did you take your father's dinner? Don't go into the bathroom. You're. Oh.
Come on, come into the kitchen.
You're like biting your fingernails off.
Can you get this?
What's that? What was that?
Get this open. Get this open.
What's that?
Stop. Get this open for me, sir.
Wait, what's that?
What's that? Vor.
Vor.
Oh, I farted. Oh shit, I got you too. Oh, that glitters is gold.
Only shooting star.
No, don't do that. You're gonna get salmonella.
Yeah, you're gonna get salmonella. Well, he already boiled it though.
No, but still, you can still get it because the juice.
Okay, Mr. Magic Man. I also did not hear you say Big McThankies from McSpankies to the customer.
Hey.
Oh! It's Mary! Oh!
Stop being so gay. Chipotle
Oh.
chocolate. What? It's fine. Go ahead, put it in.
Yeah, put it in, bro.
Like, take it out?
Yeah.
Just like squirt it in there, like poop.
Yes.
They came right out.
Alright.
Yeah, but dabba do.
Shut the fuck up.
What did I tell you about screaming at your father like that?
Bro, I'm gonna send it in like a you. Woo! I hate you! You're gonna love this meal.
Yeah?
Yes. You're gonna like this meal too, Thomas, I know it. Watch me on the knife. Yeah.
Yeah, slave. Dum da dee dum da dee. You're like Elmer Fudd getting ready to like gut open Bugs Bunny.
You watch me that knife? Thank you.
Yeah, he did it well and good.
Thank you.
It's like my toenail.
Oh yeah, that happened in the first kitchen experience. That's why it's like that.
Thomas, bring that up for me. 5-second rule. Go ahead.
That was more than 5 seconds.
Alright, clean that again.
Clean it again. Actually,
Slave. My parents like when I do videos.
They do, huh?
My parents.
my damn parents, my papa and my mama, they like what I do.
They like
My uncle Jerry, he likes seeing these videos. He likes seeing these videos. He asked me to come over one time and gave me a drink. He gave me some Kool-Aid. I ain't felt right since.
Was it grape Kool-Aid by chance?
Yeah. My booty hole feels wider than usual ever since.
My damn ball hole, yeah! Pew pew pew!
That was anticlimactic.
Yeah, that was very anticlimactic.
Hello? Yeah, I'm alright. I'm just cooking.
It wasn't me. Yeah, the neck collar. Boy, is it hot in here or is it just me? Pig. Alright, I think that's enough salt.
It didn't even come out.
There you go.
Salt, right? Right?
Yeah.
Salt.
Okay. Yeah, just mix it in. Okay. Hey guys, so this is Thomas's dish. He made dinosaur chicken nuggets and waffles. You know,
Too much salt?
they're kind of dry. You know, a condiment would have been nice. Wow, all this ketchup came out of nowhere. Yeah, that tastes better. Let's try a waffle.
Waffle with ketchup.
Now let's try this side with ketchup. No, I've never had waffles with ketchup before, but that's actually pretty good.
It's done!
Oh, Anthony's dish is done. Let me finish this real quick.
You think, since it's done right now, you think we'll be able to get in? Yeah.
So, what do you call this exactly, Anthony?
Border hopping.
Border hopping? Really?
Yeah.
The beef tastes pretty good. Let's see how the rice does.
So hard.
Oh, that's.
Salty a little bit.
Okay. One, I think you went a little overboard with the seasoning, and
Kind of swish it around a little bit.
and the rice is hard, like it's crunchy. It has like no taste to it, so all it does is like add crunch. But the beef is really good. I'll say that the beef is really good. But it's just it's way too salty. It's like
Why? Because of that.
Like I feel like I'm gonna die from. So no, it's not from the chicken nuggets. It's just in general. So border hopping, it's okay. But
There's so much salt on that.
there is an abundance of salt.
Yeah, I think I did go overboard with the seasoning.
Yeah, you did go pretty overboard. With the chicken nuggets, is very basic but effective. That one has a little too much salt. So
Actually, some hot sauce could actually add a little bit of flavoring.
yeah.
Yeah. Sauce.
Is this stuff spicy?
No, not necessarily. It adds a lot of flavor.
Oh, that's quite a bit.
It's alright. It gives it more liquidy. Try.
Looks like
It looks like molten.
Mix it.
Chinese
Mix it
sauce.
around.
tastes like the Dum Dums. You know the Dum Dums, the lollipops, like the root beer flavor. Yeah.
Okay, that actually makes it taste really good. I think it's because they're cold because we let them sit out a little too long. So
His wins.
yeah,
Yeah.
Anthony, this is your second time you win.
Damn.
All right, guys, we're gonna have to end it now. Hopefully, next time we do a kitchen experience, we can do the punishment. Actually,
Wait, no, next video. Punishment.
yeah, next video is gonna be the punishment for Tommy.
Bazinga!